Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, Lafayette Parish in central Louisiana, eastern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, eastern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, southwestern Wales Parish in central Louisiana, St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated numerous severe thunderstorms capable of producing hurricane-force winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. These dangerous storms were located along a line extending from near Mammoth to Kaplan and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Quarter-sized hail may also accompany the storm. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, Port Barre, Prairie Ronde, Arcadian Regional Airport, Savoy, St. Landry, Mottell, St. Martinville, Whiteville, Church Point, Karen Grove, Grand Coteau, Kaplan, Breaux Bridge, Cecilia, Palmetto, Kington, Braveville, Broussard, and Dewson. These storms are producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.